Okay, now let's solve this question. Function f of x is in the form of this definite integral and value of this definite integral is 12. Then we have to find function f of x. Now here integrand is x multiplied by f of t plus 1. Integration is with respect to variable t. Okay, x and t are two independent variables. So we can write this integral like this: x multiplied by integration of f of t, okay, plus integration of 1. We can take x outside the integral. Okay, the reason is variables t and x are independent. Okay, now definitely this value will be constant. ये जो डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल का वैल्यू है एक कांस्टेंट होगा. सपोज दिस वैल्यू इज a, so we have function f of x is equal to a x plus, and this value is 1, so fx is ax plus 1. Okay, now we have to find the value of a. हमें a का वैल्यू निकालना है. We can use this fact, value of this definite integral is 12. Okay, in this put function f of x, we have integration of ax plus 1 from lower limit 0 to upper limit 3. This value is given 12. Okay, from this we will get the value of a. Integration is ax square upon 2 plus x. Okay, put the limits. For upper limit we have 9a upon 2 plus 3. At lower limit value is 0, so this is equal to 12. We get value of a is equal to 2. ठीक है, तो फंक्शन fx क्या हो जाएगा? फंक्शन fx will be 2x plus 1. We have लीनियर फंक्शन. तो आपको ये स्टेप समझ में आया. हमने x को इंटीग्रल से बाहर ले लिया बिकॉज वेरिएबल्स t and x are independent. Let's take next question. Okay, now we have this question. Function f of x is e power x plus this definite integral. Then we have to find function fx. Again we have here two variables t and x. These two variables are independent. Integration is with respect to variable t. So we can take e power x outside the integral. Okay, so we can write function f of x like this: e power x plus e power x multiplied by integration of f of t from lower limit 0 to upper limit 1. Okay, now definitely this definite integral will be constant. इसका वैल्यू एक कांस्टेंट आएगा. सपोज वैल्यू इज a, so we have f of x is equal to e power x multiplied by a plus 1. Okay, now we have to get the value of a. कैसे निकालेंगे a का वैल्यू? a का वैल्यू कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? Now a is this. a is integration f of t from lower limit 0 to upper limit 1. Okay, क्या करेंगे? We put here function f of t. We have function f of x. Okay, तो f of t होगा e power t multiply by a plus 1. Integration will be a plus 1 multiplied by e power t. Put the limits. We get here e minus 1. Okay, so we have a is equal to this. From this we get the value of a. We have a is equal to e minus 1 multiplied by a plus e minus 1. So value of a is e minus 1 upon 2 minus e. Put this value of a here. We get function f of x is equal to e power x upon 2 minus a. This is function f of x. ठीक है, तो समझ में आ रहा है इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को कैसे हैंडल करना है. ठीक है, तो फिर एक और क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं. क्वेश्चन इज फंक्शन f of x is x plus this definite integral. Then we have to find function f of x. Again we have two independent variables t and x. We can write this integrand as x multiplied by t into f of t plus t square multiplied by f of t. This is integrand function. Variables x and t are independent, so we write function f of x like this: x plus x multiplied by integration of this, integration of t multiply by f of t plus integration of t square f of t. Okay, now these two values are constants. Okay, ये जो दो डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल के वैल्यू है वो कांस्टेंट होंगे. तो क्या करेंगे, सपोज दिस वैल्यू इज a एंड दिस वैल्यू इज b. ठीक है, सो वी हैव फंक्शन f ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू a प्लस 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय x प्लस b. ठीक है, फंक्शन f(x) जो है वो लीनियर फंक्शन होगा. Now here we have to get the values of a and b. यहाँ पे अब हमें दो वैल्यूज निकालनी है a and b. That means we need two equations. कहाँ से आएंगे दो equations? We have a is equal to this, b is equal to this. यहाँ से मिल जाएंगे दो equations. a is equal to integration of t multiply by f of t. f of x is this, so f of t will be a plus 1 multiply by t plus b. ठीक है, integrate this. Integration is a plus 1 multiply by t cube upon 3 plus b t square upon 2. Okay, put the limits. We have equation a plus 1 upon 3 plus b upon 2 is equal to a. We have this equation in a and b. Suppose this is equation number 1. Okay. एक और इक्वेशन हमें चाहिए, कहाँ से मिलेगा? b से मिलेगा. b is equal to integration of t square multiply by f of t. f of t is a plus 1 multiply by t plus b. Okay. From this we get b is equal to a plus 1 multiply by 1 upon 4. Integration of t cube is t power 4 upon 4. Okay, after putting limit we get upper limit, we get here a plus 1 upon 4 plus we get here b upon 3. Integration of t square is t cube upon 3. After putting upper limit t is equal to 1, we get b upon 3. This is equation number 2. Now we solve these two equations for a and b. आप इसको सॉल्व करें, आपको a and b की वैल्यूज मिलेगी. You will get a is equal to 25 upon 23 and b is equal to 18 upon 23. Okay, now put these values of a and b here. We get function f of x as 1 upon 23 multiply by 48x plus 18. दिस इज फंक्शन f ऑफ x. यहाँ पे एक नई बात क्या है, यहाँ पे हमें दो अननोन्स निकालने हैं a एंड b. प्रीवियस दो क्वेश्चंस में एक एक अननोन था, यहाँ पे दो अननोन्स हैं. तो हमने यहाँ पे दो इक्वेशंस फॉर्म किए जो फॉर्म अपने आप हो रहे हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो कॉन्स्टेंट्स हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल.